the best homemade ginger tea ever. To make a good ginger tea, all you need is fresh ginger and filtered water. The rest of the ingredients are optional, but it might taste better with a little honey in it, as well as a splash of fresh lemon juice. Chamomile flowers, cinnamon, cayenne pepper, or an Echinacea tincture can't also be added to the tea but are optional. Don't add everything at the same time. Try different combinations. You'll also need a grater or zester, as well as a kettle or a saucepan, to boil the water and something to strain the tea. If you are not using a teapot, that is one in it. I like to grate my ginger instead of slicing it, because it releases more aroma and flavors. I don't juice my ginger, I keep it simple. Ginger is a powerful herb and truly a blessing. Make sure you are using it. Enjoy the best homemade ginger tea. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon fresh grated ginger, 2 cups filtered water, 1 tablespoon rye honey or pure maple syrup, lemon, juiced. Optional. 1 cinnamon stick, chamomile flowers, Echinacea tincture, fresh mint leaves, pinch of cayenne pepper. Directions: peel the ginger root with a peeler, or with the back of a spoon. Grate the ginger with a grater/zester. If you slice it thin and use more. Infuse the ginger. If you add cinnamon, mint, chamomile or cayenne, add it here. If you are using a saucepan, bring the water to a boil, add ginger and turn off heat. Put the lid on it, and let it steep for 10 minutes. If you are using a teapot, add ginger in the teapot and pour boiling water in it. Let it steep for about 10 minutes. If you are using a saucepan, strain the water to remove the ginger. Add fresh lemon juice and natural sweetener if you like. Stir and enjoy. If you want a cold tea, let your tea cool down, store it in the fridge, and add ice cubes before serving.